Students, this is the Digital Knowledge Irshad Academy with a fresh video of main subcubes of 4 cells in the center. Then there are 4 single ones sharing adjacent cells of main subcubes. We are going to solve 2 examples. Now, these are the min terms. They are in the center. It is called main subcube, and we can make a group of 4s. Then there are 4 single bonds. It is 1 here, it is 1 here, it is 1 here, it is 1 here. These are the single ones, and they can share the cells with the adjacent main cell. This is main cells of 4 min terms. Now this one can make pair. It can share this adjacent. This can share with this adjacent cell. This one can share this one. Now let us see that. This we can call this is main, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Now each single cell has shared with the adjacent cell of the main subcube. This is main subcube in the center containing 4 min terms. Then this is a single one. It shares the adjacent cell of main. This is a single cell, separate single cell, and it can share the adjacent cell of main subcube. This is the single separate cell containing 1. This can share with the adjacent cell of main subcube. This is again separate, and it can share with the adjacent. This is number 4. Let us now write the equations. First we write main. Main is vertically with the blue lines 4 ones is a main subcube in the center, and let us write the equation going vertically in the vertical column. From this column to this column, B is not changing. We write B. Going horizontally from rows, from this row to this row, we see that D is not changing. Therefore the function is BD, and we can write M. The main subcube has been simplified, and we get BD. Let us now write for the first loop. It is from this column to this column, vertical column. A bar is not changing. We write A bar, and horizontally it is C bar D. C bar D. This can be called as first loop. Then comes the second loop. Looking vertically, it is A bar B. A bar B, but horizontal rows C is not changing, therefore it is second loop. For the third, the equation is, we look in the vertical columns from this column to this column. B is changing but A is constant, we write A. Horizontally it is C, D. It is loop 3, this one. For the fourth one, it is this, and vertically it is AB, AB, and horizontally C bar is not changing, we write C bar. This is the fourth loop, and there are 5 equations: main cell, main subcube, BD, first loop A bar C bar D, second loop this one A bar B C, third and fourth. But then there is another way to simplify. It is, this is 4 min terms, is a subcube. This is a separate one. Now, this can be looped. This one can share with this subcube. Then this is first loop, this is second loop, this is third loop, this is fourth one, third, and this is a fourth one. Now same 8 min terms, 4 in the center and 4 single ones, the same 8 min terms we can solve by a second method of K-map. Let us now write the equations. Let us write for the first loop, it is vertical column from this column to this column. It is A bar is not changing. Horizontally it is C bar D. It is loop 1. For loop 2, vertically it is A bar B. Horizontal row D is changing, but from this row to this row D is changing but C is not changing, therefore it is C, we can write C. For the third loop, going from vertical column from this column to this column, we see that B is changing but A is constant, we can write A. Horizontal rows, it is A is not changing, we can write A. A, C, D, horizontally it is C, D, it is third one. For the fourth one, this one, it is in one column, it is, we write A, B. Let us now look horizontally from this row to this row. C bar is not changing, we will write C bar, and it is fourth one. See that here there are 5 equations, 1 main, 2, 3, 4, 5 equations. by applying a second method of K-map, we have reduced the equations to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, it is said that there should be minimum minimization. While doing minimization, there should be minimum number of equations. That's all. In the next video, we solve another 4 examples. Thank you very much.